Do you manage your breath fairly well during vocal exercises, then struggle to apply those same concepts when you're singing repertoire? Everything seems clear when you're vocalizing, but then in your music, you get to a long phrase, a difficult entrance, a high note, or a passage that needs a lot of control, and suddenly your body is no longer sure what to do, and you don't know how to fix it? If that sounds familiar, I'd like to invite you to join me for the Co-Vo Summer Conservatory, a 4-part seminar series devoted entirely to breath support for singing. Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to Co-Vo, short for Community Vocalizing. I'm Dr. Julia Nielsen, founder of Co-Vo, and over the years I have worked with hundreds of singers who have spent lots of time studying breath support. They have read books, attended workshops, taken voice lessons, and collected all sorts of advice from teachers, coaches, and conductors, sometimes for years. But understanding breath support and applying it are not always the same thing. You can understand a concept perfectly and still have difficulty carrying it into a piece of repertoire. That is the gap that this summer's Co-Vo Conservatory is designed to address. Throughout the series, we will review and synthesize the most important concepts related to breath support, but we'll spend just as much time exploring how to apply those concepts in actual singing. We will tackle questions like, how do you take a breath support concept that you understand intellectually and begin to experience it physically? How do you apply that concept inside actual repertoire, where every phrase presents a slightly different challenge? And how do you practice that breath support concept until it becomes something you can rely on, even under pressure? One of my favorite parts of the conservatory is that we will also be working with demonstration singers throughout the series in a masterclass format. Together, we will observe, analyze, test ideas, and see how technical concepts play out in repertoire in real time. My goal is not to simply give you more information. It's to help you develop a clearer understanding of how breath support functions in your voice and how to apply those ideas more consistently when you sing repertoire. So, if you are ready for this kind of deep dive into your breath support technique, registration is now open. We begin on June 27th, and even if you can't attend our 4 sessions live, don't worry. Video replays will be available. Click the link below this video to see the full schedule, to explore the curriculum details, and to register. I can't wait to dive into this work with you. We'll see you there.